Hey everyone, day 20 of the 31 days to get organised challenges, and the last of our days that I'd like to talk about malignant clutter. Now we've spoken about identifying the clutter, dealing with small m and big M, the tougher malignant clutter, and closure activities. However, the last thing I want to talk to you about is the hard truth that loss is part of life. And with loss naturally comes grief and sadness. Now, the most important thing I've discovered in working with people after we've dealt with the malignant clutter is to really help them to step out of themselves a little bit. And I don't say this glibly, but to do something for someone else, to volunteer, phone a friend, give something to others, something that really forces you out of yourself and shows everyone that you are more than your loss, that you are more than your clutter, as tough as that may be to do. Not everyone's ready for that. If you are, think this through, because this may also be a way out of dealing with malignant clutter to the richer, fuller life that I wish for all of you and that each of us deserves.